Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we are going to attempt question number 2 of sets class 11th exercise 1.5 of CBSE mathematics. So in this question we are given with a universal set having elements as A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. Now the question is find the complements of the following sets. So what do you mean by complement of a set? We have gone through this concept in the previous videos. So here in this case, we are always given with a universal set. Take for example, we have a universal set with elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And we have another set A with elements as 1, 2, 3. So what will be A complement? It will be having all elements of universal set excluding the elements of A. So what are the elements of A? 1, 2 and 3. And the remaining elements, that is 4 and 5. These will be the elements of A complement. 4, 5. So this is how complement of a set works. We have also gone through the definition in the previous video. So the definition, as we know, is complement of a given set is the set containing all elements in the universal set that are not in set A. Now let's attempt part number first. So we have a set A with elements as A, B and C. And we are given with universal set having elements as A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. So what will be A complement? It will be having all the elements of universal set excluding the elements of A. Set A is having elements A, B and C. So the remaining elements D, E, F, G and H will be the elements of this complement. Part number second. We have a set B with elements as D, E, F and G. So what will be B complement? Here again we'll be having elements of universal set excluding elements of B. So the elements of B are D, E, F and G. The remaining elements A, B, C and H. These will be the elements of B complement. So here the elements will be A, B, C and H. Part number 3. We are given with set C with elements as A, C, E and G. So what will be C complement? Here again it will be having elements of universal set excluding elements of C. So the elements of C are A, C, E and G. The remaining elements B, D, F and H will be the elements of this complement. So here the elements will be B, D, F and H. Part number next. We are given with a set D with elements as F, G, H and E. Now we need to find D complement. So the elements of D are F, G, H, A. The remaining elements B, C, D, E will be the elements of the C complement. So here the elements will be B, C, D and E. Towards next question. Question number 3. Taking the set of natural numbers as the universal set, write down the complements of the following sets. Here in this very question, we are given with a universal set which contains all natural numbers. So universal set in this case is a set of natural numbers. The elements of this set will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Now the question is that we'll have to find the complements of all these sets. So part number first is x such that x is an even natural number. What will be the complement of this set? So what are the numbers excluding even natural numbers? These are odd natural numbers. So the complement of this set will be x such that x is an odd natural number. Part number second. X such that x is an odd natural number. This question is opposite of first part. So here the complement will be x such that x is an even natural number. Part number third. X such that x is a positive multiple of 3. Complement of this set will be all natural numbers which are not multiples of 3. So in this case, the complement will be x such that x is a member of natural numbers and x is not a multiple of 3. Part number 4. X such that x is a prime number. So here we'll have to take all numbers which are not prime and which are natural, of course. So here the complement will be x such that x belongs to natural numbers and x is a composite number. We know that those numbers which are not prime are composite, and also x should not be equal to 1 as 1 is also not a prime number. Part number 5. X such that x is a natural number divisible by 3 and 5. So here the complement will be the set of natural numbers which are not divisible by 3 or not divisible by 5. So we have x such that x belongs to natural numbers and x is not divisible by 3 or not divisible by 5. Part number 6. X such that x is a perfect square. So here again the complement will be totally opposite of this very thing. So the complement will be x such that x is not a perfect square. Part number 7. X such that x is a perfect cube. The complement of this set will be x such that x is not a perfect cube. Part number 8. X such that x plus 5 is equal to 8. So here the given equation is x plus 5 is equal to 8. On solving, x will become equal to 3. So here the complement of this set will be x such that x belongs to natural numbers and x is not equal to 3. So here we'll be having a set containing all natural numbers excluding 3. Part number next. X such that 2x plus 5 is equal to 9. So here the given equation is 2x plus 5 is equal to 9. On solving, we'll get 2x is equal to 4. That implies x will be equal to 2. So here the complement of this set will be x such that x belongs to natural numbers and x is not equal to 2. That is, this set will be containing all natural numbers excluding 2. Part number 10. X such that x is greater than or equal to 7. So what will be the complement of this set? It will be x such that x is a member of natural numbers and x is less than 7. So the natural numbers excluding numbers which are greater than or equal to 7 are less than 7. Or this set can also be represented in rooster form as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Part number 11. X such that x belongs to natural numbers and 2x plus 1 is greater than 10. So here the given inequality is 2x plus 1 is greater than 10, which on solving gives 2x is greater than 9. So here we'll be having x greater than 9 over 2. So the complement of this set will be x such that x belongs to natural numbers and x is less than or equal to 9 over 2. So here all the numbers will be less than or equal to 9 over 2. So in roster form, we'll be having all natural numbers which are less than 9 over 2. So the elements will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. Hope this makes sense. Do subscribe to the channel for more such content and thanks for watching.